This is a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird. Amazing car. Beautiful paint job in Limelight green. Interior's impeccable. Vinyl top. Bench seats, but no console. And the torque fly is controlled by the lever there on the steering column. Hood scoops, but they're non-functional as I remember. The pop-up headlamps. Obviously a big figure in NASCAR racing. A certain number had to be offered to the public to allow its use in NASCAR races. The 440 is under this car's hood. The 426 was also available. The 426 being the Hemi, of course. And we have, of course, that extreme wing there in the back. And that's home to, of course, the Roadrunner. Beautiful car. Very well done.